You want a pickup that will run 300,000 miles on nothing but oil changes, but doesn't cost a fortune? Forget the Tacoma and the F-150 today. I'm showing you 5 bulletproof used pickups under $15,000 that mechanics swear by, but most people completely ignore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which trucks to buy, which to avoid, and how to save thousands while getting something that lasts for decades. Hi, I'm your name. And after 22 years of working on trucks, I've seen it all. People blow $25,000 on a clapped-out Tacoma while these hidden gems sit on lots. Undervalued, overlooked, and ready to go the distance. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1. And trust me, number 1 is a game changer. Dive in. Number 5 is the Chevy Colorado with a 3.6 LV6. Most buyers skip it because they're stuck on the idea that real trucks have to be Silverados. That's exactly why these trucks are under $15,000. I had a customer who wanted a 2016 Tacoma for $24,500. I showed him a 2017 Colorado V6 with 72,000 miles for $14,800. More power or less mileage? $10,000 cheaper. And 6 months later, 0 repairs. That's right, nothing. 3.6 LV6, 305 horsepower. Towing capacity, 7,000 pounds. 8-speed automatic. Low maintenance timing chain. Average annual repair cost, $599. Transmission fluid condition, frame rust, and infotainment system are the main things to check. You're getting midsize V6 power, real towing, and cheap GM parts all for a fraction of a Tacoma. Number 4 is the first-gen Nissan Titan, 2004 to 2015. Full-size V8 power and ridiculously underrated. These trucks were built to compete with F-150s and Tundras. But when they didn't sell like expected, the market forgot about them. That's your opportunity. 5.6 LV8 VK56DE, 317 to 390 horsepower depending on year. Proven to go well past 200,000 miles. Simple timing chain, no turbo, no complicated VVT, fully boxed frame, and Dana rear axle. Check! Exhaust manifold bolts on 2004 to 2007 models. Radiator condition, and rear differential fluid. If you want a full-size truck that can tow 9,000 pounds for the price of a used Civic, the Titan is your secret weapon. Number 3 is the Nissan Frontier, the truck nobody respects, but it's one of the most reliable mid-size trucks on the market. 2005 to 2021, VQ40DE 4.0 LV6, Dua ratas enam puluh satu, handphone documented to go past 280,000 miles. Average annual repair costs $470 lower than Tacoma, Colorado, or Ranger. Body on frame construction, fully boxed ladder frame. 2005 to 2010 models. Watch for SMOD Radiator Plus Transmission Cooler. Timing chain tensioner check for 2011 plus. Check. Overall rust and fluids? Frontier gives you Tacoma reliability for half the price. Number 2 is Honda Ridgeline. I know what you're thinking. That's not a real truck, but that's exactly why it's undervalued. I had a contractor client buy a 2012 Ridgeline RTL with 88,000 miles for $13,200. 3 years later, he's at 167,000 miles with only a timing belt. Water pump service at $1,100 and regular maintenance. That's it. 3.5 LJ35 V6, 250 horsepower. Timing belt every 105,000 miles. Unibody. Construction equals fewer rattles, better ride, better fuel economy. In-bed trunk unique, and super practical. Check timing belt and water pump service history. Rust around wheel wells, and differential fluids. Ridgeline gives you Honda reliability, AWD, A-bed, and under $15,000. Most people overlook this, and that's your advantage. Number 1, the Toyota Tundra, second generation, 2007-2013, full-size V8. Legendary Toyota reliability. And you can pick one up for $8,000, $15,000, because everyone thinks only Tacomas are worth it. 5.7 L3U ERFA V8, 381 horsepower, 401 pounds EFT torque, naturally aspirated, port injected, timing chain, 6-speed automatic, extremely durable. Towing capacity, 10,400 pounds. Frame rust, mostly limited to 2007 to 2008. Southern Western trucks preferred. Check frame rust secondary air injection system, CAM tower seals for minor oil seeps, and look for fleet trucks from dry climates. Compare a 2010 Tundra to a 2010 Tacoma. Bigger, more powerful, lower price, and just as reliable. These trucks fly under the radar, and you get decades of worry-free ownership. So there you have it, 5 bulletproof used pickups under $15,000. Chevrolet Colorado V6, Nissan Titan V8, Nissan Frontier V6, Honda Ridgeline V6, and Toyota Tundra V8. Next time a salesman tries to push you toward a clapped-out Tacoma, you'll know better. Want more videos on hidden truck gems and dealership secrets? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications. Your next truck will thank you.